The Krcix 3-in-1 sofa bed is built for real life, not showroom fantasies. It understands a simple truth: space is limited, guests still arrive, and comfort should not be negotiable just because square footage is. This piece quietly earns its place by doing more than expected, without asking for much in return. At first glance, it looks like a compact Loveseat. Clean lines, modern shape, calm and neutral enough to settle into almost any room without arguing with the decor. But the real value is hidden in motion. With a smooth pull, the Loveseat slides into a chaise, then extends fully into a sleeper bed. No wrestling, no awkward lifting. The rollers glide instead of scrape, and the transformation feels intuitive, not mechanical. This is furniture that doesn't punish its owner for using it daily. Comfort is where this sofa bed separates itself from the usual pull-out couch disappointment. The cushions are firm, supportive, and surprisingly forgiving. They hold their shape whether someone is sitting upright, lounging sideways, or sleeping through the night. Even extended use doesn't flatten them into regret. The metal frame beneath is solid and steady, yet well hidden. No sharp edges, no pressure points, no reminder that steel is involved at all. That balance between strength and softness is rare at this price point. The height is refreshingly sensible. Feet reach the floor instead of dangling in midair, which makes sitting feel grounded and natural. It's especially friendly for shorter or older guests who struggle with oversized furniture designed more for looks than usability. At the same time, taller guests don't feel cramped or awkward. The proportions simply work. Durability is clearly a priority here. The steel frame and reinforced structure support up to 1,000 pounds, which inspires confidence without needing to advertise itself loudly. This sofa doesn't creak or complain when used daily. It stays quiet, like furniture should. The removable cushion covers are another practical win. Life happens, spills happen. Being able to unzip, wash, and reset the sofa removes a layer of stress that cheaper couches ignore. There are thoughtful extras too. Built-in USB and Type-C charging ports mean phones stay alive during long evenings or overnight stays. The idea is excellent, though the placement could be more discreet. The cup holders are functional but visually underwhelming. Plastic, where something subtler might have elevated the design. They do the job, but they won't be anyone's favorite detail. One design flaw does stand out. The Velcro straps used to secure the internal metal frame are positioned in a way that can snag the fabric cushions during removal or replacement. Over time, this could cause pilling or wear if left unaddressed. It's a small issue with an easy fix, yet surprising that it hasn't been refined given how solid the rest of the sofa feels. Fortunately, it doesn't affect comfort or functionality in daily use, just long-term fabric care. Assembly is refreshingly straightforward. Everything arrives in one box, instructions are clear, and no advanced problem-solving is required. Despite some reports of difficulty, the process is manageable even without professional help. The included throw pillows are serviceable but thin, more decorative than supportive, and likely the first thing most owners will upgrade. What matters most is how this sofa bed performs when someone actually sleeps on it. And it performs well. It doesn't feel like a compromise or a temporary solution. Guests wake up rested, not stiff or disappointed. That alone puts it ahead of most sleeper sofas that promise versatility but deliver discomfort. This is not luxury furniture pretending to be practical. It's practical furniture that accidentally feels luxurious. Thoughtful, sturdy, adaptable, and honest, the Krcix 3-in-1 sofa bed earns trust through use. It doesn't beg for praise, it just quietly does its job. Night after night, guest after guest,